Welcome all of you to the FTP Robotic Show. Today we are going to see how to make a string art. You should take a piece of wood and mark the diagram which you are going to make, so it will be easy to hammer the nails on its place. And then you should hammer the nails on the border of the diagram. And it will look like this after hammering all the nails on its place. And now you will need some yarn. Now you should tie the yarn as shown in the video. It will look like this after a great finish. Now you will need some LED strips to paste it around the frame. Now we should take a piece of yarn and make a hanger to the frame. Now you will need a 12-volt power supply to power the LED strip. It will look like this after giving power to the LED strips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share among your friends. Stay tuned until we meet with another video.